friends joining us for our Australia camp this week. It's teacher Laura here, and today I want to do a fun art activity with you where we make our own kangaroo pouches. Now, you can do this a few ways. I'm going to show you the materials you'll need. Crayons or markers to decorate. You'll need a stapler and some scissors. And then you'll also need some string and a hole puncher to fasten the pouch when we're all done with it. To make the actual pouch, you can use a few different materials. You could either use a paper plate, which you cut in half and then staple together and decorate to make a pouch, or you could use paper. I'm going to use paper because that way you can kind of make it bigger if you want to carry around bigger stuffed animals in it maybe a little bit later. There's all kinds of fun things you can do with your pouch once you have it tied on. So I have 2 pieces of paper right here. I'm going to stack them together, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to trace the shape that I want my pouch to be. So I think that I kind of want my pouch to be kind of like maybe a half of an oval. So that's what I'm going to trace. Let's see. Or almost like a half of an egg, if that helps you visualize it. Here you go. So I'm going to stack my 2 pieces of paper together. You can staple them too, so they don't slide around when you cut if you want to do it that way. But then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut along the line that I drew, just like this. And I kind of want to make sure my paper is sticking together and not sliding around too much. And let's see. Ta-da! This is going to be my little kangaroo pouch. So then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to staple these 2 pieces of paper together kind of along the edge. So I got my stapler. Maybe I'll do 1, 2. I'm spacing out my staples about that far. They don't have to be super close. So I'll staple all around the edge of my pouch. There we go. And now I'm going to decorate it. When we tie it on later, it's going to look so cool. So you could decorate it like an orange or a red or a brown or a gray color like a real kangaroo. But I think what I want to do is add polka dots on mine because why not? I can make my kangaroo pouch have polka dots on it. I'll do some red ones. Let's see. Oh, I'm going to add some pink. Gotta add some pink on there. What other colors do you think I should add? Maybe some blue. I won't decorate the whole thing. I'm just going to do a few decorations so you can kind of see what it looks like. There's my pouch right now. So now what I'm going to do is take my hole puncher and I am going to put a hole right here and right here so I can fasten it around my waist like a real pouch. And it shouldn't be too hard to get through 2 pieces of paper. It's a little hard to put the hole puncher through a paper plate. So now I've got my 2 holes. Now I'm going to take my string and I am going to tie a little knot through one end. And a grown-up might have to help you tie the knot. Let's see. All right, so it's fastened on one side. So then what I'm going to do next is hold it right about here where I want my pouch to be. And I'm going to measure my string so it feels like it's secure around my waist. Then I'm going to cut it and tie it through the other hole. And let's see. Oh, that feels about right. And now I've got my own little kangaroo pouch. And you can go find stuffed animals around your house. Maybe you have little animal toys you want to put inside, and you can hop around with your little kangaroo pouch. Well, I hope you had fun doing this, and I'll see you all at camp this week. Bye.